And this area really need help too, because the waste mash up bad, but here so we get a lot of damage. Because if you even go around on the back road in Salem, right now half of the house them around the have any roof.
How long you been a fisher here?
Fisher here,
Yeah,
22 years.
22 years. That's a long time.
Yeah.
You live here.
Yeah,
Where? How far? Close or far?
close, right round on the back road in Salem.
Okay, Salem. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So you ever see anything like this in terms of the magnitude of the damage and
No.
destruction?
No, never.
But you've been here for storms, like.
Yeah, more than one storm.
What is it that you have lost, because of the hurricane?
Well, we lose quite a few sheet of zinc off of my house, plus we lose probably about 40 fish pot.
40 fish pot. I will leave that. How much for like build one fish pot?
Well, normally we buy one roll of fish pot for 25,000 and it can build 4 fish pot.
Okay. So only for money that. And how that affect you know, because I know that you have to go out and see if you even make money, if you even try to rebuild.
Yeah.
What's that like now? How now manage without the roof and electricity and everything?
Really rough on us now. Just real bad.
Yeah. So you still go out and see though?
Yeah, we go out since morning. But me lose most of the fish pot. Right now me have about 5 fish pot. We'll go out, come back, sell fish, put some on the fridge and so forth. Keep things going.
Yeah. And now, what is it like?
Well, it's peer pressure, because even the guys, they want to lose a lot of fish pot. Now when they go out and come in, they still can't get no sale for the fish, plus you don't know where to put it.
Yeah. So people not buy as much right now?
No, people not buy as much. People buy like 1 2 pound or 1 3 pound of fish.
Yeah.
But you know them can just eat for today.
So has anybody come by, like the National Fisheries Authority or the government, to assess damage or anything?
We don't see anybody as yet.
Okay. So nobody from the community has made any calls or reports to them or anything?
Well,
like
they call and report, but nobody show up as yet.
Okay. In terms of recovering or rebuilding, what does that look like for you? You know, in terms of what it would have cost, and you know, so you say a house and you have a building, a structure here as well?
Yeah.
And that the roof for that gone as well?
Yeah, gone as well.
So where you look on in terms of rebuilding costs?
Just the fish pot them alone, like cost it that carry me about 250, 270,000.
Yeah, that's a whole heap.
And then with the fish pot, you have to buy the wire, and then you have to buy the stick and lace the wire. And sometimes we have to pay man for building.
Yeah, exactly.
If you can't do the work yourself. And this area really need help, because the waste mash up bad, but here so we get a lot of damage. Because if you even go around on the back road in Salem, right now half of the house them around the have any roof. People have to buy tarpaulin to cover them.
So that's the state I live in now.
Yeah, it's not good at all.
Yeah. And I see everybody here on the beach and things. It seems like we're not coming together as a community though to help each other.
Yeah, because most of the people right now not even fish them camp, right? They just come out. Some of the fishermen who can give fish, just give them some fish and then roast and all them girl over there, so I fish them come out. Get some fish and just gone home, because the fishermen we really can do more. Because we can't think about if we take them home, because if we take them home, they spoil.
Yeah, so now I try to get them with